In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer old emails to Gmail. Whether you're moving to a new account or simply consolidating multiple inboxes, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring a smooth transition for your emails. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need to sign in to your new Gmail account. This is where your old emails will be transferred, so be sure you're in the right account. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on it and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you'll find the tools you need. Next, go to the Accounts and Import tab. This tab is your gateway to managing how emails are exchanged between accounts. Scroll down to where it says Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add a Mail Account. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address from which you want to import emails. Type in your old Gmail address and click Next. After doing this, you'll be given an option. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. This choice facilitates the transfer of emails through a secure server. Now you'll need to provide some information. Start by entering your old Gmail address again as your username. It's crucial that this matches your old account credentials. Now for the password. If your old account uses two-step verification, you'll need to generate an app password. Otherwise, use your normal password. Next, enter the POP server details. Type in popgmail.com for the POP server. For the port, use 995. You will see an option to always use a secure connection, SSL. Be sure to check this box to maintain a secure transfer of your emails. You'll also see a couple more options that are worth considering. Decide if you want to leave a copy of emails on the original server by checking the option. If so, this can be useful if you want to keep your old account intact. Another handy feature is the possibility to apply a label to imported messages. This can help you easily identify emails that have come from your previous account, essentially organizing your inbox right from the start. Once you've made these choices, the final step is to click Add Account. And there you go, your new Gmail account will start fetching emails from your old account. This process might take some time depending on the number of emails being transferred, so sit back and let Gmail do its work. And that's it. You've now successfully set up your Gmail account to import old emails, making your transition seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.